Speed Demon brings you the latest updates on the hottest cars, and today we take a deep dive into the 2025 Volvo XC60, a luxury SUV that redefines performance, safety, and technology. This model continues Volvo's legacy of elegant Scandinavian design, featuring a bold front grille, signature Thor S hammer LED headlights, and a sleek aerodynamic body that blends sophistication with sportiness. The sculpted lines enhance both aesthetics and efficiency, making it one of the most stylish SUVs in its class. The new alloy wheel designs and refined exterior detailing further contribute to its premium presence on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Volvo XC60 offers multiple powertrain options, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and a plug-in hybrid variant. The hybrid model delivers impressive horsepower and torque while maintaining outstanding fuel efficiency, making it a great choice for those looking for power without sacrificing sustainability. Volvo's all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and stability in various driving conditions, while the smooth and responsive automatic transmission enhances the overall driving experience. The adaptive suspension provides a comfortable ride while maintaining sharp handling, giving drivers the perfect balance of performance and refinement. Inside, the 2025 Volvo XC60 is a masterpiece of luxury and innovation. The cabin features high-quality materials such as premium leather upholstery, open-pore wood trims, and brushed aluminum accents. The ergonomically designed seats offer superior comfort, with heating, ventilation, and massage functions available for added luxury. The spacious interior ensures a relaxing experience for both drivers and passengers, making long journeys more enjoyable. The panoramic sunroof enhances the airy feel of the cabin, while the ambient lighting system creates a soothing atmosphere. The technology in the 2025 Volvo XC60 is cutting-edge, featuring a large vertically oriented touchscreen infotainment system powered by the latest Google-based software. The system seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering effortless connectivity and access to navigation, media, and apps. Voice control and an advanced AI assistant allow for hands-free operation, enhancing safety and convenience. A premium Bowers & Wilkins sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, making every drive an immersive experience. The digital driver display provides real-time information with sharp clarity, ensuring that all essential data is easily accessible. Safety has always been a top priority for Volvo, and the 2025 XC60 is no exception. It comes equipped with an extensive suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The Pilot Assist system offers semi-autonomous driving capabilities, reducing driver fatigue on long journeys. A 360-degree camera and parking assist technology make maneuvering in tight spaces effortless, while collision avoidance and pedestrian detection systems enhance overall security. Volvo's latest air filtration system ensures a clean and healthy cabin environment, filtering out pollutants and allergens. Efficiency is another strong suit of the 2025 Volvo XC60, particularly with its plug-in hybrid variant. The hybrid system provides an all-electric driving mode for short distances, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Multiple driving modes allow drivers to switch between power, efficiency, and comfort settings based on their preferences. The regenerative braking system helps improve energy conservation, further enhancing overall efficiency. Convenience features in the 2025 Volvo XC60 include wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a hands-free power tailgate for easy access to the cargo area. The intelligent climate control system ensures optimal cabin temperature, and rear passengers enjoy dedicated air vents for added comfort. The SUV's customizable interior and exterior options allow buyers to personalize their vehicle to suit their style and needs. With its perfect blend of luxury, technology, safety, and performance, the 2025 Volvo XC60 remains one of the most compelling choices in the premium SUV segment. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest car reviews, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.